Hi, welcome to my channel about robotics, physics technique and embedded systems. This video is obviously about my Raspberry Pi 1 Model B Plus, which is connected to Raspberry Pi camera on the physics technique stand and via band cable to a transistor, phototransistor that is, an LED and a motor with propeller. This one is for input, which last time I didn't manage to get working. These two and LEDs that are here do work nicely as well, but I haven't tried the camera. Well, I did try with not very much success, but I found a library that may be successful in using the Raspberry Pi camera. So that is the main focus this time, and I hope to get it working. But to show how that works out or may not work out, I will go to screencast. So screencast with obviously the Tiger VNC environment, which is actually the Raspberry Pi. Then MonoDevelop running on the laptop, and this is obviously the camera again with the whole setup as explained earlier. And the focus is this tiny camera. And right here an early attempt which didn't make any progress. So what I have to do is insert a library from NuGet again and see if that works out better. So let's introduce that one. So that did not work out. Once more I got an installation error, and looking at the source code, or not the source code but the source page on GitHub, it says these are the runtimes. So I need to check those out. While I think this is not a problem, this might be. Then which models? Well, I have the Model B Plus from the version 1, but still it says it runs and I can't even install it. So let's check some dependencies. Anyway, it looks like the dependencies are alright. So why doesn't it run, or what does it want to install anyway? Difficult question. Alright, now we're getting somewhere. Not that we are there, but one step closer to a solution. Targeting framework, which says 4.5, which is the code error that I get. Alternatives 4.7, 4 and something else for client profile, but it's 4.5, which are installed. Targeting 5, targeting 6. So there is nothing wrong with my installation. There's something setting wrong in MonoDevelop. How to solve it? That's an entirely different question. But at least now I know where the problem comes from. And well, hopefully I can solve it. So what to do? Well, one thing I noticed when I read things on the internet, that I can use Visual Studio Code, which is open source and which is available for Linux. So I've done that. then I get dit, and I have already opened the code. However, the point is now that I have to add the package. But the package can only be opened when you introduce a new project, and then it says file open project or new project, which I can't find here. So apparently there's something between Visual Studio Code and something else, apparently, because without this it's no use. I have to open a project, which I also had to do, by the way, in here. Solution, when you start a project, new, and here you get a solution, and from the solution you select whatever you like, a graphical thing or a console thing, which is this one. This program is console. However, new file, but that opens a new file. That doesn't open or doesn't create anything else. So that is for now a dead end. Let me open this one again. So in here something points me to an old version. Visual Studio says, yeah, I can do it. So far I can't, and until that has been solved I can't do anything regarding this camera. What I can do is this. Counting to 14, then have the motor, which in an earlier attempt did run, and LEDs that blink. So let me do that again. Anyway, why does it not work when I want to demonstrate it? I don't know. Point is, I can't demonstrate things right now. Not until I have solved this. Well, no need to give me comments on that one, because I already found out right here, right there. This is the project which I won't be able to use right now using Visual Studio Code, because in here it says Windows only, and I'm not using Windows, which means that this one is out of question. Waste of time. And this one I have to find out how I can do it anyway, which I have spent quite a lot of time on, but unfortunately a no-go for now. So where to go from here? Well, trying to find out a solution for installing the package anyway, so I can use the camera, which is not now. Thanks for watching. When I find another solution within MonoDevelop, I will continue. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram, and please support, or you can support via PayPal, Ko-fi, and via Patreon for only $2 or €2 a month. Via Ko-fi only €3 per time, or you can subscribe for monthly. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.